I am basically a founder mentor of Kheti Fresh, an agri-commerce business that we launched last year in October 2020. We started up with a very basic premise that when it comes to farmers, be it at the time of COVID and even post time of COVID, they've been one of the most exploited communities with a lot of jargons floating around. What we have been able to largely address within the khetifresh.com, the agri-commerce business that we have launched, we have looked at farmer both as a consumer as well as a producer. So as a producer, we are aggregating their produce and selling it in the marketplace, for which we are building a biddable platform, and we already are functional in the COVID times in Gurgaon, where we have done almost 5 lakh worth rupees transactions with about 30-40 odd vendors. Our intention is to onboard about 2 lakh farmers on our platform in the Hindi heartland. Our specialty comes both in terms of aggregating data, give farmers advisory around agri and agronomy. Importantly, get them engaged with lot of suites of services that we are building in, which includes both agricultural advisory as well as wealth advisory, and importantly, enroll them to sell their products efficiently, which they are not otherwise able to do by managing logistics for them. In short, we are trying to solve problems for farmers. It is a huge industry. The business in itself, if it were to be managed purely with a base of almost about 1 lakh of farmers, with a ROI that is clearly built on a scale that even if it is 2,000 rupees per farmer, there is a huge amount and a huge potential in terms of scaling up an operation. Importantly, Kheti Fresh is promoted by Greenfuelage Private Limited. The question here is, sir, with all this introduction, we seek to raise funds. We are a bootstrapped company. We are trying to raise funds. We are a professionally managed company, professional business group functional heads managing the business for us. We are seeking to raise funds from the marketplace, largely through angel investors, and then seek a professional guidance from StartupLane in a way where we are able to really stand up to the expectation of the market. Importantly, get ourselves tested, and then move on with your professional advisory, sir.
Sure. So I hope you won't mind sharing the revenue.
In the current context of the time, in the last 6 months, we are doing a monthly run rate of almost about 1.25 lakhs.
Perfect. So all we need is minimum revenue of 10,000 rupees per month. That is our basic condition. And mostly any technology based startup is okay. We are sector agnostic. So I don't think so there is any kind of challenge. If all the documents are with you, we can do this maybe in next 15 to 20 days. What is the amount that you would be looking for?
So currently at this stage of time, we are looking out in terms of an amount of anything hovering around 4 to 5 crores. Most of it would largely be utilized in terms of ramping up operations, because we want to build agronomists as well as we want to build agri sales executives to enroll more and more farmers, and importantly to create an ecosystem where we can go and engage farmers and build our credibility. So the fund will be utilized there.
Yeah, let me be very honest. So whatever amount you would be requiring for customer acquisition, we can raise it as of now. In the second round, probably we can raise for your vertical and horizontal expansion in terms of capacities. As of now, whatever amount you are looking to raise for customer acquisition based upon your current CSEs to LTV, we will be happy to support that. But for expanding the capacities in the first round, I don't think so we would be the right person, right organization to approach. But next round we can do that. So I'm telling you on the basis of the risk strategy that we have. For customer acquisition, no issues. Whether you raise 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crores, that's perfectly fine.